What's up, guys, and welcome to another GNCRC video. Tonight, guys, this video is going to be really short. So the whole purpose of this video is to give back to the RC community. And what I mean by that is today I was going through a bunch of my comments. I'm just getting around and answering a bunch of them because I've been really busy. But I noticed that it was several people on there that had been commenting on my videos and I was not subscribed to them. So I was going in and subscribing and gotten around to everybody. So I want you guys, if you want me to sub to you, the guys with channels that want me to sub or whatever the case might be, if you would please go below and leave a comment. That way I'm going to use this video as a reference point of the people that I need to go subscribe to. I'm going to still try to continue to subscribe to people that do get on my videos and comment on my videos. But in this case, I want to go ahead and make sure I am subscribed to all the people that always comment. If you already think you are subbed to me, please put a comment down below. Anyway, that way I can make sure, I can double check and make sure I am subscribed to you guys. That was the whole purpose of this video. I always try to make sure I'm subscribed to everybody, and I always try to make sure I put people in my community tab so others can subscribe to them as well. So if you guys want a shout out, let me know you want a shout out below in the comments, and I will put a shout out in my community tab. For the ones that are not subscribed and you decide to subscribe, go ahead and put a comment down below as well. I'll make sure I follow you guys. Till next time, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.